Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to put a Jaguar XE in neutral. First, make sure your Jaguar XE is completely stopped and the engine is running. It's crucial for safety to have the vehicle stationary before attempting to shift gears. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your foot. This prevents any unintended movement and prepares the car for the gear change. Finally, find the distinctive rotary gear selector located prominently on your center console. Now, with your foot still on the brake, gently rotate the gear selector to the N position. You'll feel a slight click as it engages. It's important to hold the selector in this N position for approximately 2 to 3 seconds. This ensures the transmission fully registers the change. After releasing, verify that the letter N for neutral is clearly illuminated on your instrument cluster, confirming the gear selection. Once neutral is engaged, the next critical step is to apply the electronic parking brake. This is a vital safety measure, especially if you're leaving the vehicle or performing maintenance. You'll typically find the parking brake button near the gear selector. After the parking brake is engaged, you can safely release the foot brake pedal. If you're done, you can now turn off the engine, leaving the car securely in neutral with the parking brake on. Remember these important safety tips. Never attempt to shift into neutral while the vehicle is moving at any significant speed, as this can be dangerous and cause damage. Always engage the electronic parking brake when leaving the vehicle in neutral, especially on any incline, to prevent rolling. For any specific questions or unique situations, always refer to your Jaguar XE's owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions. Stay safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.